I would gladly, could it be, undo all the ill I've wrought, and the good I've left untaught. Ah, how happy I should be, were the ill good, the good ill. Then I'd have no fear to flee, and my good would be so great, I'd be peer to a saint's estate. Now I know not how it shall go with me, for my sins are great, and my goodness more to see. So guilty toward God I feel, that I almost think despair. Yet I know I must forbear, for His mercy is more real than my great sins ever were. This gives me assurance still, yet I would live if I might thrice the years in His light, to honor Him and better mercy find. For I have been false and of an evil mind. True Jesus Christ, be not grieved if I dare to beg your grace. Mercy, let me not efface to the devil who holds me cleaved. And since I did what He pleased, pay His body back apace on the body that did the wrong. Let the punishment be strong, let the body have the pain that is its due, for it betrayed the soul and you and itself too. I know well, if mercy save, it shall be mercy without peer. Yet this alone should make me fear, that I had no more to wave but the weeks and months I gave, the years I let disappear, never mindful of God's name. This alone should bring me blame, for no reward is given for what is not, and He asks wrongly who has no good wrought. I know I have taken too late to call to God for clemency, but He sent word, it seems to me, at whatever hour I wait, He would never spurn my state, and it was time for housing me. Yet I would ere that hour leave my great sins in their power, for in His court I think no man may be who is stained with any foul impurity. World disloyal, full of lies, false arch-cheater in disguise, with you no man is honor or estate. Who loves God, fears Him, serves Him at His gate.